Hi guys! Today I do hard gel overlay. First of all, I need to remove all gel using medium ceramic nail bit. So let's start. I will guide you through the whole process. I hope you will like this tutorial. After removal, I always do shape. We decided to do soft square, and at this point I always buff the surface of the nail to smooth it and make it even. I already pushed back the cuticle using bamboo stick, and now I'm gonna clean the cuticle using diamond nail drill bit. First, I work from right to the left on forward, and then I switch to reverse and work from left to right. Here you see me working on reverse from left to right. Make sure that you don't use a lot of pressure on the nail because you can damage it. I decided to add flame nail bit to clean everything that bullet couldn't get to. Same here, I work from left to right and from right to left on forward and reverse. Make sure that your nail drill bit has that option to choose the side of rotation. Now it's time to cut the cuticle. I use snippers because I prefer them more than scissors and it's more comfortable for me to work with them. After I cut the cuticle, I like to polish skin and cuticle area with ball nail drill bit. It's fine grit. All of the bits that I use are fine. I don't use medium or coarse. After manicure, I prepared the nail plate, I dehydrated it and applied rubber base. It is required to use rubber base before any hard products. It helps to prevent lifting and chipping. After that, I apply a thin coat of hard gel and cure it. We decided to do camouflage hard gel. It's hard gel that's already with color. That's why I prefer to do that step. Otherwise, you don't need to do that. Here comes the most important step, strengthening and building an apex. I always use slip layer, so I do a thin layer of gel and then I add volume. After I applied slip layer, I don't cure it. Right over it, I take a drop of hard gel and spread it on the nail. I always flip over the hand and spread the gel where it should be. I build apex and make the surface of the nail smoother without bumps. I always do one nail at a time, never 2, 3, 5 fingers together because the gel can spread unevenly. After I did all 10 nails, I don't put any polish on top of it, we leave it just like that and put the top coat. So here is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in comments what you think and subscribe for more upcoming tutorials.